Just making a quick video and a little walk around of the Comanche before it gets its paint job. Already started pulling all the trim off, mirrors, handles, grill, pretty much everything that we can. Pull it off. A lot of trim is going to be repainted black, so going to do the bed as well. Going to do the bed liner. Get some spray in the bed liner and put on it. Going to get some of that stuff off of Amazon we've seen. They say it works pretty good, so we're going to make a little video of that too, see how well that works. But yeah, and we're actually going to paint it with Rustolium. Cheap. It's Jeep. It's going to get scratched some more. We're not going to put a lot of money into it, obviously. I mean, you see it's got some dents in it. This is a Jeep, and it is going to go down the trail. It's going to go in the woods. It's going to get in the mud. It's going to scrub some rocks and trees, and yeah, ain't no reason to make it too much, but it's going to look a whole hell of a lot better when we get done. That's for dang sure. But yeah, that's pretty much the before. See what it looks like now. Still got a lot of work to do. We're going to start scuffing, sanding, cleaning. It's already been pressure washed. That helped quite a bit. The roof's pretty bad. That's going to be one of the main things we're going to pay attention to. Probably put some Ospo on that to kill the rust. It's not real bad rusted, but it's there, I'm going to throw a good coat of primer on it and paint it. It's going to be awesome looking when we get done. Well, for a Rustolium paint job anyway, done in the driveway, it's going to look awesome. But yeah, we'll keep you updated. Make a few more steps along the way, videos of each step.